Hi everyone. Do have the lateral assembly done. Got that valve assembled. My partner's helping. And now got to get an Allen wrench to attach it to the base. There's nothing wrong with that other one. It's just the pump is underpowered. And this one's a 1.5 horsepower pump. It's a division of Hayward. It's just their lower end division. And it says it holds 187 pounds of sand. So I'm going to stop it right here. Please like, please subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Have a good day. Bye.